In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your files in the grid or list view here in Google Sheets. So if you have Google Sheets open on your desktop or on your Mac, this is the first view that you're going to see, and here are your recent spreadsheets. Now you can view your files in two different ways. Right now we're viewing it in grid view, and it's going to look like this. You have a preview of your spreadsheets and what it looks like. We also have the dates or the time that you've opened these. Again, these are your recent spreadsheets, but if you don't really want to have a preview of what these spreadsheets look like, you can always go for the list view. Now we can change that by going to this icon right here. So it will tell you list view if we click on it, let it load, and there you have it. So for this time, we don't have that preview anymore. We have this list where we see the title, the owner of the files, and the time these spreadsheets were open. So for this example, this was open today, and these are the times that they were opened. The next one would be the previous 7 days or the previous weeks or 30 days. That's solely depending on the timeline that you have in viewing spreadsheets that you've worked on, and there you have it. So that's a difference between our list view and our grid view. Now, this is totally up to you on how you want to see your files. But again, if you want to switch to grid view, just click on this one, let it load, and there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to view your files in a grid or list view here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.